in biting wind, hearts will never bleed, frozen and banished out of greed. In their restless dream, they try so hard to breathe, pulses flutter and sting within this bleakness. They will come with the blade, they will wake up the desponding crowd in this dormant world somehow. Unsheath the sword not to kill, unsheath the sword to rend those clouds above the ground. Wake up, it's time to gather now. The only warmth remains in hands clasped so tight. The only fire exists in brave hearts. Seasons that refuse to change over the years will find their way back on track. We made a choice, go fight against your fate. They will come with the blade, they will wake up the despondent crowding storming world somehow. Unsheath the sword not to kill, unsheath the sword to rend those clouds above.